To link Slack to My Repairs, first click the Setup Slack button. As we're already signed in, all we have to do is click Allow and the link will then be made. If you're not signed in already, you'll just be prompted to do so. Now that Slack is linked, we can choose which channels to post the repair notifications to. After that's all done, we can log a repair like normal and then see how that appears in Slack. Once the repair has been confirmed, it'll then show in Slack under the relevant channel like so. You can see all the important information at a glance and can click the link to be sent back to My Repairs.